I want to share with you guys 3 browsers that you can actually earn from, okay, by just browsing. Okay, hello guys, I hope you're good, I hope you're fantastic, I hope everything is okay out there, guys. Okay, I want to share with you guys 3 browsers that you can actually earn from, okay, by just browsing. Okay, you don't do anything. Well, you can invite other people perhaps, but you can earn by browsing. All right, all you do, guys, is just I think the common thing on these browsers is that they don't allow ads on their apps, okay, or websites. In other words, when you browse, you don't see all these ads that you don't want. You just browse cleanly, so without any interference, without any problems. Okay, some of them you can actually allow those ads, but the reason why you allow them, it is maybe because you want to earn something. All right, so you open those ads and then you get a notification. They come in orderly. They don't just come in and all of that, you don't know what's going on. They come in orderly at that time, and then you click them and then you open those ads and then you earn something from doing that. All right, and the others are cryptocurrency. You can just you just browse normally and then you earn. And also, as I say, others are cryptocurrency based. Okay, so you can earn from just browsing and all of that. There's not a lot of things on other browsers, right? So the other one that the first one that I'm going to mention, right, it is good for me. That is the best one that I actually am using, right? Also because if you open a website, okay, that maybe the browser is suspecting to be dangerous or anything like that, all right, they actually don't, your browser, that browser that you are using that I'm talking about, when you open it, it will not open it. Okay, it will be as if it's not working. But all you do, you just go up there and then you open, you click that logo, their logo, and then you click on something that is on, you turn it off, and then the website will reload again, and then you will access it, which is good. You know, it shows you that you are in charge, you are in control. You don't allow anything to come into your browser and all of that. All right, that is good. Everything is in your hands. You know, you decide what you allow, you decide what not to allow, and all of that. All right, so the other one, which is the third one that I'm going to mention, guys, I will tell you all at the end. The last one will be it's still new, that one. Okay, it's new. Also, you just get in, you just browse, you just go through whatever, and then you gain points and all of that, and then you can take that point, okay, exchange those points into cryptocurrency. All right, now I think it's coins. Yeah, it's points or coins somewhere there. Okay, guys, now these browsers, guys, are as follows. Okay, you've got Brave browser. This Brave browser is the one that I like, is the one that I love, okay, because I've got access, I've got control there and everything like that. All right, unfortunately, the first time I used it, okay, I lost my phone and I was so far, I think I was in $15 or $12, all right, before, you know, I was very close to actually withdrawing the money or the crypto that they actually whatever that you get from there. All right, so I like this one because it's good, it's great, and I'm tired of ads, guys, so it helps me with that also. Okay, besides the fact that I will earn, or I'm earning. And also you've got what we call CryptoTab. Okay, this one, I think it has been out there for a long time now. The thing here, guys, with the CryptoTab, there are others that have come up, which they call them CryptoTab Lite. Okay, I suggest that you take the real one that doesn't say Lite. It only has a logo that doesn't have a light that says CryptoTab Lite. Okay, you don't take those things, because I think they are, I don't know, they are a copy from that original one. So I would suggest you take the real one. I will show you the logo, the straight logo that you will see there. All right, so this one is crypto based, guys. You just browse the way you browse and you do your thing there and all of that, and then after it you will gain points. Make sure that you turn on those browsing tabs. Okay, I'll show you on the screen everything. You go there and then you just click that. Now the last one, it's called Decenter. No, okay, the thing is, guys, on the screen right now I've put it there, so it's how you pronounce it, well, that's how it is. It's Decent, you know, because there is no E at the end. so I can't say decentral or decenter, so that's how it is pronounced, and all and everything like that. So also it's new, and you gain points here, and then after you can exchange them into cryptocurrency that you want. All right, which is also very interesting, guys. So you can try all of them if you want, or you can use one of them, guys. It's up to you. But I'm definitely sure that they are legit. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything, and all of that. So if you're tired of using things that are all over the place and all of that, just you can use these ones and actually make money. And also, guys, you can, if you have a computer, you can actually put all of them on, not all of them, the one that you use, you can put it on the computer and actually also gain there, and also you can put it on your phone and also gain there. All right, so it's a win-win situation. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. 3 browsers, let me come again. Brave browser, CryptoTab, and Decenter. Thank you, ladies. Decenter, no, Decent, whatever you will say it, guys. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining. Like the video, and also if you are new, thank you for watching and thank you for joining. Thank you, guys. I love you, and take care of yourselves.